Hello there. I thought I'd bring you guys a little bit of Happy Wheels. I would have never have thought this would have happened in this game, but so y'all gonna get. I may make a little series of this when I actually figure out how to start recording on something else other than the camera holding up next to the screen. But till then, that's what we just have to do. Yes. Yes. He was a dick anyway. School. Anything? Nope. Ooh. Let's keep that in mind for later. Straight in the butt. Take that, jerk. Don't care. Oh! Crap. Oh! 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 Yeah! Oh! Yeah, I can suck it! Suck it! Yeah! Suck it! You suck it! Crap.